Ginansya para sa karinderya. Hi guys, this is Jesse Alcaraz. I am a certified public accountant, a financial advisor, as well as a college instructor. So it is common for karinderyas or eateries to have this kind of setup in accounting for their income or expense. Pag na masulod yung kwarta, that's the income, and then na magawas ng kwarta, that's their expense for the day. So, pagkahuman sa isa ka adlaw, at the end of the operation, kung na mabiling yung kwarta, then they're profitable, and if not, then lugi sila. Unfortunately, na ay mga expenses na dili inadlaw ginabayaran. For example, renta. Usahay sila man na po ng bayad sa mga tao. Na per times nga apelya ang kurente, tubig, internet, and gasol. Dili man ta everyday magpalit og gasol, or if nagagamit ang kahoy, dili man po everyday ang pagpalit og kahoy para sa pagluto. So, in this video, we will be discussing and illustrating on saon pag-compute ang ginansya kung naa kay kalendarya. Okay, so let us have this example. So this is a kalendarya profit and loss on a daily basis. So let us assume that we have daily sales of 15,000 pesos. Ingredients, mga ingredients na to ang ginapalit on daily basis, 6,000 pesos, transportation, 500, and then daily wage, 1,200. So the total expenses based on our daily cash outflow of money, that's 7,700. Therefore, we have a profit of 7,300. Okay? So, 15,000 minus 7,700, we have 7,300. So, kung nga ni atong basis sa pag-compute sa ito ang ginansya, okay man siya, no? However, naatay mga bagay-bagay nga nalimtan, such as those nga dili na to ginapalit on daily basis. So, medyo kulang ni siya. So, items like gasol, dili mo na to na adlaw-adlaw ginapalit. Renta, di mo na adlaw-adlaw ginabayaran, together with the electricity, water, as well as the internet. So, ang buhaton na to, in order to compute the daily profit, is kaning gasol, considering 15 days siya magamit, na atay 200 pesos na daily expenses related sa gasol. Atong monthly nga rent na 5,000 pesos will be divided into 20 days. Let us assume 20 days ang ito ang number of days we operate in a month. So, 5,000 divided by 20. So, 250 pesos atong daily expenses related to rent. And then for our utilities, total na 4,500 divided by 20 days, we have 225 again for the daily utilities expense. Total sa tulo ka buok is 675. So, kaning 675 karon, i-further deduct nato ni siya sa ato ang profit. So, mahulog ni siya nga gross profit pa ni siya. So, less, ito na lang nato other expenses of how much? 675. So, we have our daily net profit of 6,625 pesos. So, profit gyapon. But, ang nakanindot ani is accounted for apil ang mga expenses nato na dili nato ginabayaran on daily basis. So that is how we compute for the profit and loss sa isa ka karinderya business, especially when we take into account those expenses na dili ginabayaran on daily basis. Mabitaw nang ginabalik-balik yun na ako o emphasize no, na dili ingana ka-reliable ang profitability kung ang basis nato is the cash in and the cash out lang. And then kung sa'y cash mabilin, mo na to atong ginahuna-una nga ginansya or lugi. So I hope that was of value sa inyo ha. And kung na may questions, feel free to write it down sa comment. That's all and may gabi sa tanan.